and Allah knows best what they conceal within themselves. So give them tidings of a painful punishment. Except for those who believe and do righteous deeds, for them is a reward without end. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. By the sky containing great stars, and by the promised day, and by the witness and the witnessed, destroyed were the companions of the trench, of fire full of fuel, when they were sitting by it, and they were witnesses to what they were doing to the believers. And they resented them only because they believed in Allah, the exalted in might, the praiseworthy, to whom belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth. And Allah, over all things, is witness. Indeed,